Hello, once again. Good day to my subscriber as well as to my new viewers on this channel. What we're gonna discuss today is we're gonna review the Philippine Stock Index first and some other stocks after this. So we're gonna do the what happened today and this week for the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Now for me, actually, our stock index did not really move much, right? It's just consolidating or just on a, I would say more to the downside than to the upside, as you can see here. So let us just begin on what happened. So for the past week, at the beginning of the week on September, it just stayed around this area. Then on Tuesday, it dropped down strong. And then on Wednesday, it tried to bounce up. Thursday, it just went back down because of the US index was pretty down. And today, it just went back here to this particular area, 5,839. Now, what we'll see here is that let us go take a look at the 5-minute to have a better understanding on what really happened today. As you can see here on the 5-minute candle here, this is the one I see here. Monday, the stock market tried to stay above, and then tried to stay on its toes, close this area. So I was thinking that on the next day, Tuesday, it may go above that area to have some boost. Unfortunately, it opened here, dropped all the way down to this area of support, which is back to 5,837. Now, buyers are here, drove the market from 10 or 11 down to closing. Look at that. That was good. That was a good trade. But on Wednesday, there wasn't any follow through. It was just like people buying, selling, buying, selling. It was just like a range market. Unfortunately, it never went back to 5,904. So that is, if you take a look at this, is higher here, and it never went back there. And it closed just near this area. And the following day, it just collapses down. Then you have another consolidation, then close here, right? And on Friday, this is what happened. On Friday, it closed here, open here below, drop down. Buyers, as we know, let's take a look back to the daily chart. Buyers were here before, then they bought it back here on first thing in the morning. So that's why if we go back to the 5-minute, as you can see here, buyers were there. Buyers bought again here, went straight up, buyers again were here, reached this particular area. It could be that buyers here took profit or just get out of break even, and now the market is dropping down. So what I see on Monday, if the market continues below this area here, then we know that there's no buyer support down here. If the market goes above here and maintain above this level, then you know buyers are overwhelming the sellers, and we could have a chance of going to 6,000. If not, then that's not so good. So the next stock is Merrimart. So let us go here to the daily area. Now this particular stock, on my last review, we were here on the 23rd. So basically that one, I was thinking, yes, I was right. There were more buyers here. The buyers pushed the market above. So you can see here, the buyers pushed the market above this area. Unfortunately, they did not stay above there. So you know, sellers are taking profit out there. It could be buyers who bought here took their profit here, and there's a very big sell-off. So if we go to the 5-minute, that's what it looks like. As we were discussing here on Tuesday, there was a strong breakout, and as I was discussing, there could be more continuation. Take a look at that, right? On 24, it jumped above, went there quickly, and before 10 o'clock, sellers took over. And then for the past 2 days, it's all a sell-off. So it went back down here to around around this area, 305. So I'm thinking on Monday, my guess here is that if the buyers who broke out here does not buy in this particular area, then this might go down to, if buyers don't perform their task after the breakout, this might go down here to this level, 280, right? So hopefully on Monday, buyers will show up to push this for a retest around this area again. That's the only thing for this market, right? So let us go to the next market, which is one of my favorite, MBT. Now in MBT, as my previous video, I was saying that this is now on an uptrend, and I'm happy to say I hope that MBT will continue, right? And because it broke this level of resistance in this area and it stayed above there for 2 days, so let's hope on the 3rd or 4th day it has enough power to push up to this level. So let us go now to the 5-minute candle. That's how it looks like. So again, you have this line scrimmage. So let's go back again to the daily. So to explain to you, this particular candle, it closed above. The following day, it tested the level of breakout, which is this resistance, and stay above. So if we take a look at the 5-minute, that's how it looks like. On Thursday, the market broke out, stayed, closed above. On Friday, today, it dropped down. And take a look at this candle. That is a strong open, shoot up, close above, and look at that following continuation. The sellers could not even broke down at 36.30. So what happened? Buyers took over. Shoo! Look at that. Now let's hope on Monday they will continue their job to push this to our target, which is around near 39, around 39ish, around this area, or even above it. So that's for this market. So let us go to the next market, which is one of my favorite, but it's not doing so well, BDO. Now BDO, on the other hand, which is quite different. Now most of the time they go coincide, all financials, but BDO here, take a look at this. Buyer showed up here, drove the market strong, and that's it. And since then, buyers again tried to push up. Nothing. Buyers again here and nothing. And today, it opened below, went down, and it's just not doing so well. So this particular area, it could be buyers who bought here took profit here, right? So if we go to the 5-minute candle, this is how it looks like here. This is Monday or Tuesday. Monday here, look at that. Strong up, close there. And what happened? Tuesday, just nothing, just slowly drop here. Buyer showed up here. It could not even reach above 89 ever since. Look at that, never reached 89, and suddenly people got tired and it dropped. Look at the big drop from there. Open, back down, go up. Here, let's show that one. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. Now, let's hope that the buyers who showed up here is going to show up somewhere here to push it up. If not, then we could see MBT going down to 85. And that is not so nice. But I'm hoping still this hub, if we take a look at the daily, I'm hoping still these guys have enough power to overwhelm these sellers here. So that's about this for this candle. So I hope of this particular stock. So I hope that BDO, do your best. So I'm gonna do a part 2 later for HLCM as well as for FGen. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.